Hi, dear friends, how are you all? Hoping you all are good. Today, we are going to explore a garden called the Chabal Garden. This is one of the beautiful places in the city Anantnag. It is hardly 8 to 10 kilometers from the main city Anantnag. It was built in 1620 by Jahangir's wife Noor Jahan. It was already existing in the ancient times, but was later on ruined by the external invasions, and the Mughals have taken care at that time, and was built in 1620. So the importance of this garden is that it has a spring, which we locally call here Nag. Actually, this Nag is a Sanskrit word which means a spring. Sorry, a snake. So it's called as the Achabal Garden or Achabal Nag. Dear friends, I will tell you here that it's having it's a rectangular shape, and it occupies an area of 3.94 hectares, and it was built in such a way that you will find a clash of architecture between the Persian and the Kashmir. So major of the things which are in here in Kashmir are from the Iran. Look here, some people are taking a nap under this chinar tree, which is also a state tree, and it was brought from Iran also. It is also as a Persian tree. We call it in Kashmiri, it is a boon. It is a chinar. And here we enter into the garden. Look here how the fountains are looking very beautiful. In the middle it has the hammam. We call it in local language hammam, which was used for bathing by these emperors at that time. Here it is a waterfall, man-made waterfall. Some families have come here to. They have come on picnic, and you can see they are taking the meals. What I was telling you, the hammam, the main building here, which you are seeing right now, it was the hammam used by the emperors at that time, by the Mughals. Here you can see the beautiful flowers of different species are growing, are blooming here. People are taking the leisures. Some people are taking the nap. Children of all age groups, we can see, are enjoying this beauty. Parents with their children. This was used as a hammam. How beautiful it is. The water is coming out from the spring, a Chabal spring, and it goes. This is the look. And here is the town look. This was the hammam used as a privacy room for changing the clothes. This was used, and this was used as a hammam. And dear friends, you already know that this fountain, this was later on built here. It was placed later on in this place. Otherwise, there was no fountains when the Mughals had built it. It is an obvious fact that they were using some different techniques Here you can see there is also a pool of water here. This whole we can say from the spring to the main entrance gate, this has been divided into different compartments so as to accumulate the water and make the fountains and give a different look to this garden. This was the architect of Mughals. And there you can see there are some traditional dresses which most of the foreigners are using by wearing them and taking the photographs. And there I will show you a man is there, a beautiful lady. She has put on this traditional cloth, and a little champ with a dress as a Maharaj. We called it groom. In Kashmiri language we called Maharaj. And here they have taken this is the effect of corona, because otherwise you might have seen the children wearing some uniforms of different schools, but right now, you know, due to this COVID which has hampered the routine work, so that is why they are in simple clothes here. Friends, I am going to take you to the spring from where the water is coming out. I have already told you the people of all age groups are enjoying in this garden. Here, this is a spring, small spring. Now where water is coming out. It is a hillock. And this is the hill where we are going. After showing you this spring. Here, brothers, this is the main spring from where the water is coming out. You will find some similar structures where the springs are, whether it is the Vairanag. There in the Vairanag you will also find the same structures. And this is the look from the spring of this garden. You can see from the both sides of this garden, similar structures are made. And the chinars are definitely the same number from the both sides, but maybe there are at the entrance there were not the chinars which were on the right side, but on the left side there were no chinar. It was, I think that they were later on planted here. You know, the children are taking the bath. They are enjoying this cold water. Here, I had paused this video because the people were, you know, watching it. So in order to not disturb them, I just take off the camera. And again, I'm showing you. From here, we are going the off hills. So at such place, before going to the off hills, you definitely, if you are not carrying the water bottle along with you, or if you are not carrying any water, you should have some sips at this natural spring.